Warm greetings, everyone. We are students from Tyagaraja College of Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Faculty in charge Dr. N.B. Balamurugan. We are going to present a PPT on IC 555 timer, and here it goes. IC 555 timer is one of the most widely used IC in electronics and is used in various electronic circuits for its robust and stable properties. The 555 timer IC got its name from three 5 kilo ohm resistors that are used in its voltage divider network. This IC is useful for generating accurate time delays and oscillations. The time delay the IC 555 timer is an integrated chip used in variety of timer, delay, pulse generation, and oscillator purpose applications. It was commercialized in 1972 by Signetics. The timer was designed in 1971 by Hans Kamen-Zinn under the contract of Signetics. The Kamen-Zinn proposed the development of universal circuit based on the oscillator of PLLs and asked that he would develop it all alone, borrowing equipment from Signetics. The first design for 555 was reviewed in the summer of 1971. The 555 timer was manufactured by 12 companies in 1972 and became a best-selling product. The pin diagram of IC 555 timer is shown in this slide. The functions of different pins is listed in this table. Pin number 1 is the ground pin, which is an input pin which is used for providing ground. The second pin is the trigger pin, which is also an input pin which is used to trigger comparator input pin. The third pin is the output pin. The fourth one is the reset pin, which is an input pin, which is used for internal flip flop reset pin. Um, the fifth one is the control pin, which is used to control the voltage input to control charging and discharging of external capacitor. The sixth pin is the threshold pin, which is an input pin, which is used for is used as threshold comparator input pin. The seventh one is the discharge pin. The eighth one is the VCC, positive biasing voltage from 4.5 volts to 16 volts. The functional diagram of IC 555 timer is shown in this slide. Components in functional diagram. The first component is the voltage divider network. The voltage divider network consists of three 5 kilo ohm resistors that are connected in series between the supply voltage VCC and ground. The second one is the comparator. The functional diagram of IC 555 timer consists of two comparators, an upper comparator and a lower comparator. A comparator compares the two inputs that are applied to it and produces an output. If the voltage present at a non-inverting terminal of an op-amp is greater than the voltage present at its inverting terminal, then the output of the comparator will be positive V saturation. This can be considered as logic high in digital representation. If the voltage present at the non-inverting terminal of op-amp is less than or equal to the voltage at its inverting terminal, then the output of the comparator will be negative V saturation. This can be considered as logic low in digital representation. The SR flip-flop operates with either positive clock transitions or negative clock transition. It has two inputs, S and R, and two outputs, Q of t and Q of t dash. The outputs are complement to each other. SR flip-flop can be used for one of these three functions such as hold, reset, and set based on the input conditions when positive or negative transition of clock signal is applied. The output of the lower comparator and the upper comparator are applied as inputs to the SR flip-flop as shown in the functional diagram of IC 555. The third next component is transistor and inverter. The functional diagram of 555 IC timer consists of one NPN transistor Q1 and one PNP transistor Q2. The NPN transistor Q1 will be turned on if its base to emitter voltage is positive and greater than cut-in voltage. Otherwise, it will be turned off. The PNP transistor is used as buffer in order to isolate the reset input from SR flip-flop and NPN transistor Q1. The inverter used in the functional diagram of IC555 is not only performs the inverting action but also amplifies the power level. The various operating modes in IC555 are uh, astable mode, monostable mode, and bistable mode. Astable mode is also known as self-triggering or free-running mode. It has no stable state. It has two quasi-stable states that automatically changes from one to another. It changes from high to low and low to high without any trigger. The monostable mode, it is also known as single shot mode. It has one stable state and one quasi-stable state. It jumps from quasi-stable state stable state when the trigger is applied and comes back to stable state after predetermined time automatically. It is used in generating pulses and time delay, etc. The bistable mode is also known as flip-flop mode. It has both stable states. Two different trigger inputs are applied to change the stable state from high to low and low to high. It is used in automatic switching applications. The various features of IC555 are listed in this slide. It is almost used in every electronic circuit today. It is some of the major feature of IC555 would be its wide range of power, that is from plus 5 volts to plus 18 volts. Its load current is around 200 milliamps. Due to its high current output, it has got various applications like TTL. It has high temperature stability of 50 ppm. The duty cycle of the timer is also adjustable. The applications are like oscillator and timer. In oscillator, in the astable mode, it can generate a square wave signal. In bistable mode, it can be used as a comparator with memory. In monostable mode, it is used as pulse lengthener or shortener. In timer, it is used for converting microseconds to hours. These various applications of IC555 is used in many real-world applications such as square wave signal generator, voltage level detector with hysteresis, FM signal generator, oscilloscope time base, camera flash relay, camera shutter tester, room resonance tester, simple frequency meter, guitar fuzz effect, AM signal generator, and etc. Uh, these are the references which we referred, and thank you.